What is up, guys? We are back with a little late night garage episode. Right now I'm doing some light installs on the Turbo S. We are going to be installing 5150 Fangs and whips, and I got an idea for wireless rock lights. I've already tested them out a little bit and they actually work. They're from Chemimoto. They're not actual rock lights, but I'm going to show you right now what they are. So, rechargeable little lights. It's got a magnet on the end. 2 settings. Boop, boop. Alright, so these things come with a Velcro strap. You can see it right there. So what these things are super handy for is you just clip them in right here. That's another fancy part. Look how easy that is. Because let me turn the light on. Just oop, in and out like nothing, and it clips right in. So you could have a sweet little dome light, or, which I do have a dome light, or you can do what I'm trying out, which is some wireless rock lights. So you can see here I got this Velcro strap on that cage part, and wham bam, the light is on, shining on the kit. I got them on all 4 corners, and then a 5th one up there as a dome light. I'll give you a little example right now. And there you go, there it is on the highest setting on that thing. And it looks pretty cool in my opinion. No wires, no nothing, clips right in. And here's another cool part. Let's say you break down, it's nighttime. Oh man, let me just boop, oh, take it off. Now I got a light for working on the vehicle. In my mind, kind of ingenious. I think it's cool. Thank you, Chemimoto, for hooking me up with those lights. I'm going to be testing them out as rock lights slash dome lights. Yeah, pretty cool little nifty thing there. I mean, you can do it within seconds. And I charged them up, and I've been using them for a little while, just in the garage as like a handy little light for working on stuff. And haven't had to recharge them yet. I probably got like 2-3 hours on some of them. Haven't died. Good product so far. I'll give you a further update later down the line once I get more use in them and we get some mud and dirt in there and see if they hold up. I'll tell you one thing, I've dropped it multiple times, they haven't broke. So, and for recharging it, it's just a little rubber flap here. Boop, micro USB, USB. Everybody has chargers at home. Yeah, easy peasy. I dig them. Even if I'm gonna try using them as dome lights, or using them as rock lights, using it as a dome light is really handy, and they're super cheap. Alright, now on to the 5150 Fangs and whips. I'm not awesome at electrical, but this doesn't take an expert to be able to do this. It's kind of self-explanatory. Alright, first step is to remove your stock Fangs, which mine are still in here, but all it is 3 little weird caps like this. Shoop. I have 2 of them off because I can get to them from inside the grill, but there's one in the middle that I cannot get off. So I'm actually gonna have to pull the whole front fascia off just to get to that last middle nut on this one and this one. Alright, to remove the front fascia to get the Fangs out, you got a T40 here, 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 and there. And then you need to go down here and remove this guy and this guy, and it's going to remove this front piece of plastic right off, and then there'll be 2 more bolts. Okay, I just removed this one and that one, and by the way, these 2 are T25s. Alright, and then to remove this, there's a tab here and a tab here. You just pull from the top. And then, just like I said, there's 2 more bolts, which are T40s underneath. Alright, now I'm going to start removing the front fascia. Again, T40. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, forgot, I skipped a step. Before we get this front fascia off, we need to unplug each of these headlights. Very self-explanatory. There's a plug on the back of the headlight. Unplug it. Alright, now back to removing these. Alright guys, I'm not an expert, never claimed to be. There's another one right here, if you guys can see. Every time I think I got them all, I don't. Alright, here's another one. Right there, tip of my finger. Boop. I'm gonna have to use a swivel end to get to this guy. It's pretty hard to reach. Wham bam making ham! And just like that, front fascia is removed. Alright, now on to taking these fangs all the way off. Be careful with this front fascia. I mean, mine's painted because it is like the premium edition. I put my awesome soft coat underneath this thing, resting on there. As you can see, I got this one off and that one off. This middle one was just downright impossible the way it was resting in there. So we're gonna zip this one off, and the new fangs will set right in. And the size to take these off is an 11mm. Alright, now I'm just going to pick up this front fascia, and these two fangs should just be, yep, hanging out right there. Wham bam. Just like that, you got two stock fangs out of your front fascia. Ho 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 ho. And now it's time to put the new ones in. So what you need to do is disconnect this cord. Alright, to install these, it looks like I just need to slide this through the little... Alright, I'm going to have to undo the wire. Or just disconnect it, like a smart person. Alright, these fangs, pretty self-explanatory. You can tell the layout of how they need to sit in here. They slide right in. Poof. And then the other one just slides in, same way. Easy peasy. Alright, now that we got them installed, we're going to take these 11mm nuts and put them on in the back and fasten these bad boys down. Alright, now I'm going to flip this thing around so I can tighten them and pray that they don't fall out. Alright, now you can easily see these things in the back. These plastic spike things in the back are not threaded. These things like just create their own threads. Pretty weird. Alright, fangs are installed. Sweet. Now we're going to go back to the Turbo S and start running some wires from the front to the back for the whips we got here. Okay. Here's start of wire 1. Going from the front to the back for one of the whips. So I'm running it down here. You can see the wire in my hand right now. It's running down there by the drive shaft. And this is when you need to do a little bit more work. So you got some plastic rivets, and you got a T40, and then here's a little tricky thing here. To get this off of here, you need to take this shifter knob off. You need to pop off the top of the cap. It will have a little screw in there. Whoop, that's it. I think it's another T25. And then once you remove all that, you can just pop this thing right off. Just a little wiggling, maneuver your seatbelt around. Nothing too hard. Okay, now you can see where the wire is coming through here by all the coolant lines and everything running from the front. Shooby dooby dooby coming through here, going right by the shift linkage, and then coming out the back. Here she is. You can see it coming right through that hole down there at the tip of my finger. And now you can see I'm going to run it right up here because I'm going to mount my whips right here at the flag mount that comes on your Polaris RZR Turbo S, or pretty much any Polaris RZR, I think. Now I'm going to repeat that same process for the second wire because I'm going to be running two whips back there, which, by the way, they're 4-footers. Okay, now you can see I got this wire ran to the driver's side and I got the other one ran to the passenger side. Now for the flag mounts, it's literally these, and you got the pre-drilled holes that come with the RZR. This is just threading right into it. I didn't do anything. It's super easy. And then for the bottom, you got a lock washer and a nut. And you just sneak in through here. You can't really see right now, but it's there, trust me. Alright, I got both the flag mounts on. Of course, American flag side out. Here's a cool little thing that comes with these caps for when you're not using the whips. I would show you how they mount up, but we gotta wait till we go outside. You can actually see there's a little spot for a nut, because at the end of the flag mounts, which I'm just gonna go over there right now, you can see them right there on the end of the flag mount. And these are magnetic, and once they're on there, they're on there. I've seen them on there. They lock in really good. They ain't going anywhere. All right, guys, it's the next day. I got sleepy last night. Had to stop. We left off at putting in these the flag whip mounts. Now we're gonna proceed to doing the switch. All right. If you're gonna put in a switch for your whips and your Fangs, which they recommend, I think you can turn them on and off with your phone, but they recommend using a switch. You're gonna have to take off this top panel. Again, I believe those are just T40s, just a few of them. You zip them off, and then there's a couple plastic pins right here. This will pop off, and then wham, you can get access to right in there. I'm gonna take all that stuff off right now so we can see inside of there. All right, now with everything removed out of the way, you can see your RZR comes with dummy switches. So you're gonna pop one of these off, and you're gonna be putting the 5150 switch in, and you're gonna be wiring it through here, and it's gonna be attaching right here to this bus bar. Ooh, that's something I haven't seen before. Rockford Fosgate amp, because this does come with speakers. Which, by the way, a little update on those. I can hear when I'm just cruising down the trail, nothing crazy. So I think for stock, not that bad really. I mean, it'd be cool to have better, but I mean, tough titty, said the kitty when the milk went dry. All right, right now I'm working on wiring up the switch, and I'm not gonna go over it because I had to get help from my brother. I'm not even really.
They're doing a fantastic job.
It was.
I'm here supporting.
The instructions were not the greatest, so I really needed some help. We're gonna skip by that. Look on the internet, find somebody that knows what they're doing. All right, guys. Last time I saw you, I was talking about the switch install. Like I said, talk to somebody that knows what they're doing. I got that thing in. We're all good. Now we're gonna take this puppy outside and get the full effect of Lucy's lights.
It's sweet.
It is pretty sweet, guys. And I'll show you all the functions that come with the app of the 5150 whips and Fangs. Okay, we got her outside now, and we're ready to see these lights in action. Nick, hit the 5150 switch.
You got it. You got it.
We got Garrett over here drinking Red Bulls at midnight.
Woo!
Boom!
Yeah.
That's Lucy, baby.
Yes, you got them eyes.
Oh my.
Ooh, that lights it up, bro.
Dude, that is sick.
The dots are crazy.
Oh.
Those are sick.
Dang, dude. Wow. That looks sick.
And it doesn't end there.
No, it doesn't end there. The Fangs being red are just, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's
all right, guys. So with this app, or with these Fangs and whips, you download an app, and this gives you the ability to change this thing at will. Oh, look at that. Now she's green.
Hey.
Oh, now it's blue. Oh, dude.
It's like Christmas.
It
Christmas
is.
lights.
Those are Christmas lights.
Yeah. That the Fangs and the whips are just synchronized together.
Oh.
And also too, we haven't gotten to this part yet, but it goes to music. So you can set these lights to like the beat of a song, unless Chief figured it out. And he
I haven't figured. No, I haven't figured it out yet.
But it definitely comes with the kit.
Dude, look at that. This one goes from the Fangs to the whips.
Oh, that's cool.
Dude. And it's building up on the whips.
How cool is that?
That's silly, guys. We're heading out to Red Bull tomorrow, and it's just the final touches to try making old Lucy look as good as she can. Wow.
And as you can see, it's dark. It's literally like midnight. We just stay up, getting everything ready. It doesn't matter. We do what we gotta do.
This dude's over here drinking Red Bulls like we get them for free.
Yeah, I know, right? Lucy.
Oh, all right. Let's do a little couple more.
Oh, and then the.
Woo! Let's get crazy, dude. All right, let's speed her up here. Okay.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh dang,
Oh
dude.
wow.
It's like going back in time or like light speed here.
Going back and Back to the Future. Wow, dude, she's so pretty.
You're gonna have a hard time following him. I know you're normally behind him, anyways.
Yeah.
But
Where is he? Find him in the trail.
SOS.
Put on the help colors.
All right, so you can also do like any your own combinations. If I knew how to work this thing, because I am totally guessing right now. Oh, there we go. So here's a little color diagram, and I can just make it whatever.
Wow, that's pretty wild, man.
Woo!
Technology.
Yeah.
So smart. So cool.
But I think red is my color for this bad boy.
I think so too. It definitely suits it.
Oh yeah. Oh, hang on. Before we end this, we need to try out those wireless rock lights.
Oh yeah, dude.
All right.
We got to see what those look like in there.
We'll be right back.
Yeah.
And there we go, guys. Wireless rock lights and a dome light. I will say, for a cheap little like wireless setup, not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. Easy install, obviously, no wires, it just velcros in there, rechargeable lights. And then the nice thing about these is they snap right out real easy and have a magnetic end, so if you actually need like a little work light, they're actually pretty sweet.
Here, we'll give you a little example. Let's say, oh, it's nighttime, you blow a belt. Oh man, it's lit up, that's nice. Oh, it gets even nicer. We can just take the light off and
Boom.
boom. All right, guys, if you want a set of these, look up Kemimoto, and they will have them right on their website.
they will.
Quit being so tired.
Yeah, sleepy
Drink some
time.
Red Bull.
Need some Red Bull.
Yeah, share some of that if you're gonna frickin' drink them.
It's almost gone. All I got is backwash.
All right, guys, if you want some wireless rock lights, hit up Kemimoto. Those are sweet. If you want the Fangs, here, hit them on one last time, dude. Let's see 'em
Yeah.
with let's see the whips and the Fangs with the rock lights. Oh,
Cool.
money.
Cool factor just went way up.
Yeah, it did. All right, if you want these Fangs, you want these whips, look up 5150 or hit up Classic Motorsports in Traverse City. Nate is a dealer there, and he can help you guys out just like he did with me.
Yep.
All right, guys, that ends the video. Appreciate everybody watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the video. Smash the like button. Hey, you want to see weekly videos because we're here every week? Hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.
Later. Yeah.